So we are discussing unit 4, so that is resonance. Again in that resonance, so we are discussing series resonance. So we completed introduction part of the series resonance, properties of series resonance, and now we are in third topic, bandwidth BW, or otherwise called as 3 dB passband, and cutoff frequencies are otherwise called as half power frequencies. Bandwidth or 3 dB passband and the cutoff frequencies are otherwise called as half power frequencies. So bandwidth BW or 3 dB passband and cutoff frequencies are half power frequencies. So first we see what is bandwidth, what is 3 dB passband and cutoff frequencies and half power frequencies. So bandwidth BW of series resonant circuit. So definition of bandwidth is bandwidth of series resonant frequency is defined as the range of frequencies over which the magnitude of current is equal to or greater than 0.707 times the current at resonance. So here what is bandwidth? So first if you see the current curve in the series resonance, so this is the current curve. Draw the current curve with respect to frequency. You take only current curve. This is the current curve. So it has maximum current, so I maximum and IEM maximum by root 2. So the current, the frequency corresponding to the maximum current is resonance frequency. At resonance frequency, so current in the circuit is maximum. So let it be I maximum. And the frequencies F1 and F2 are the frequencies corresponding to IA max by root 2. So take I max by root 2, you take a dotted line. So the corresponding frequencies are called as cutoff frequencies, lower cutoff frequency and upper cutoff frequency. And FR is the resonance frequency. So the frequency, band of frequency in between F1 and F2 is said to be bandwidth. So bandwidth of, if you see the magnitude in between F1 and F2, so if you take I max by root 2, 1 by root 2 is 0.707, 0.707 times of the I max. So current in between F1 and F2 is more than or equal to 0.707 times of I max. So the current in between 0 and F1 is less than 0.707 times of I max, and the current in between during the frequencies for F2 and infinity is also less than 0.707 times of the I max. So almost 71 percentage. So current in between F1 and F2 is 70% more than or equal to 71 percentage of the maximum current. So that range of frequencies are said to be bandwidth. Bandwidth of a series resonant frequency is defined as a range of frequencies over which the magnitude of current is equal to or greater than 0.707 times the current at resonance. The current at resonance is I max, and the current in between F1 and F2 is so 0.707 times of that I max. So that is the definition of bandwidth of series resonant circuit. So other way of defining the bandwidth is, so bandwidth, the bandwidth is the frequency difference between upper cutoff frequency F2 and lower cutoff frequency F1. So that is therefore bandwidth equal to F2 minus F1. The bandwidth is the frequency difference. So frequency difference between upper cutoff frequency F2 and lower cutoff frequency F1. So this is other way of defining bandwidth. So this is a bandwidth of series resonant circuit. Next is a 3 dB passband. So what is 3 dB passband? So bandwidth are otherwise called as 3 dB passband. So we see what is 3 dB passband. So in frequency response studies, the magnitude of the response is expressed in decibels. So generally in frequency response studies, if x-axis is frequency, so magnitude we take, in general we take in decibels. So for frequencies, so here we are in resonance concept, we are changing the frequency. So we are on x-axis we are taking frequency. So the response, so the whatever the curves are said to be frequency response studies, frequency response curves. So generally we take magnitude in terms of decibels. So 1 decibel equal to 20 logarithm of magnitude. So that magnitude, whatever the magnitude we are taking on y-axis, so you have to take 20 log of that magnitude, which is nothing but 1 decibel. So 1 decibel equal to 20 log magnitude. So here if you take what is I max by root 2 by I max. So I max by root 2 by I max is equals to 0.707. So take 20 log magnitude to this value. So 20 log 0.707 is minus 3 decibels. So you get minus 3 decibels. So that's why the bandwidth, so we are taking the ratio between I max by root 2 to I max means, so we are taking the corresponding frequencies are in between f1 and f2. So we are getting that as a minus 3 dB, minus 3 dB. So that's why the pass band, the bandwidth between that bandwidth between this f1 and f2 are called as 3 dB pass band. So as we are getting minus 3 dB, so if you take magnitude, it is a 3 dB, 3 decibels. So hence the bandwidth is also termed as the 3 dB pass band. Hence the bandwidth is also termed as the 3 dB pass band. So that is the bandwidth or otherwise a 3 dB pass band. So both are same, bandwidth or otherwise 3 dB pass band. So why it is called as 3 dB pass band means, so here we are getting 0.707, I max by root 2 by I max is 0.707, and if we will take 20 log of that 0.707, you are getting minus 3 dB. That's why that bandwidth is called as 3 dB pass band. So after that, so we see what is cutoff frequencies or half power frequencies. So cutoff frequencies. So here the frequencies f1 and f2 are the frequencies at which the current is 0.707 times the current at resonance. These frequencies are called the cutoff frequencies. Here the frequencies f1 and f2 are the frequencies at which the current is 0.707 times the current at resonance. So these frequencies are called the cutoff frequencies. So here the frequencies corresponding to the current. So maximum current is I max. So I max by root 2 current is, so this is I max by root 2 current. Corresponding frequencies for that current are called as cutoff frequencies f1 and f2. So that is cutoff frequencies, cutoff frequencies. Now we see cutoff frequencies are otherwise called as half power frequencies. Other name for cutoff frequencies is half power frequencies. We see why it is called as half power frequencies. So here half power frequencies. Let P, capital P, P1 and P2 be the magnitudes of power delivered to resistance R at frequencies FR, F1 and F2 respectively. So here we have three powers P, P1 and P2 be the magnitudes of power delivered to resistance R at frequencies FR, F1 and F2 respectively. So here always P means it is a real power. So always resistor takes real power and inductor and capacitor takes reactive power. Here P is a real power. So P is the power delivered to resistor at resonance frequency, and P1 is the power delivered to resistor at F1 frequency, and P2 is the power delivered to resistor at F2 frequencies. So if we see at a resonance frequency, so P is equals to, so current is at a resonance frequency, current is I max, so I max square R and resistor value is R. So that is P, that is the relation, that is the expression for P at resonance. So at resonance, current flowing in the circuit is maximum I max, and I max square R is the power taken by the resistor R, power delivered to resistor R. So with respect to this, let us solve for, let us get the expression for P1 and P2. P1 equal to, so current taken by the current delivered to the resistor R at P1 is I max by root 2. Current flowing in the resistor R is I max by root 2 at cutoff frequency. So I max by root 2 whole square into r. So E is 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. I max square r. I max square r is p. Half of p. Means p1 equal to half of p. So similarly, if you see P2 is also I max by root 2 whole square into r, which is equals to 1 by 2 I max square r, which is equals to 1 by 2 p. So if you observe P1 and P2, so which are the power delivered to resistor at resonance cutoff frequencies, it is half of the power delivered to the resistor at resonance. So that's why it is said to be half power frequencies. F1 and F2 are called as half power frequencies. So thus it is seen that at cutoff frequencies F1 and F2, the power delivered to resistance R is half of the power delivered to resistance R at resonance. Hence, these cutoff frequencies are also called half power frequencies. So other name for cutoff frequencies is half power frequencies, because at these frequencies, cutoff frequencies, power delivered to the resistor R is half of the power delivered to the resistor at resonance. So this is about bandwidth, BW or 3 dB pass band, and cutoff frequencies are otherwise called as half power frequencies.